So we're checking out of Nels Beach Resort in Nago, Okinawa. So the beach resort is made of container van along the street, along the road, no, along the highway. Ang ganda, oh. Ito yung amenities niya. We're in a rush to check out, kaya ayan, ito yung bed, aircon, no. Ayan. Then pasok ka, of course. Here, yan yung mga inclusions. Then ito yung CR, laboratory. Yan. Ito yung CR niya. You know, made of steel. Yung wall niya is container van. Tapos I think this is dinikit lang. And of course yung main feature niya, may jacuzzi. Jacuzzi by the beach. Relax ka kaninang umaga, wala naliligo. Dito, nag-dip sa jacuzzi. Okay. Again. So, palabas, no? We're checking out. Here, somebody's posing here.
Picture, come on, come on.
Ayan.
Slippers inside that.
Ayan. Picture daw kami.
Isa. One more.
Ayan. That is how we do it. Ayan.
Okay.
Susi. Then, you open. Ito yung... Teka.
Decipher mo nga.
Ayan. Labas ka. Yung setup. Checking out is 10 a.m. So, it's almost 10. We're on the second floor. Nel Beach. Just along the highway. No? Following the beach road here in Nago. So, baba natin. Kita natin. Going out. Here.
Water.
Yung water ikaw na. Ha? Labas ka here. Yung gamit ko here. Double checking. Wala na iwan. Only memories. Ito yung car namin. I'm opening it. Okay. Then check out. Yun. Then what do we do ba? Lock it. Yun. Yan, nakalock na. Going down, okay? Then baba natin dito yung lagay natin yung susi. Balik natin here. Pwede tayo tumingin sandali sa beach. May pakilagay may? Okay. Dito natin ilagay. To complete the checkout process. Paano to? Paano to? Okay, check out muna kami.